Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI workflow. Add OpenAI module, enter prompt, add output module, run. We're building a simple, reliable flow that sends a clear instruction to OpenAI and returns a clean, readable result. By the end, you'll have a repeatable setup that turns your ideas into AI-generated output with just one click. Start by adding the OpenAI module to your workflow canvas. This module is the engine that generates text from your instructions. Drop it in, and open its settings. Choose a suitable model for your use case and, if available, set options like temperature for creativity and max tokens for length control. Keep in mind that lower temperature produces more consistent results, while higher values encourage variety. Make sure your connection to the service is authorized in advance. Once that's in place, the module is ready to work. Next, enter your prompt. Think of the prompt as the job description for the AI. Be direct, specific, and outcome-oriented. For example, instead of, "Write something about productivity," try, "Summarize 3 practical productivity tips in plain English and include one short example for each." If your workflow supports variables, you can reference them inside the prompt to pass dynamic data. Add any necessary constraints, like tone, length, or format, so the output arrives the way you want. Clarity here saves time later. Now add the output module. This captures and displays the AI's response so you can review or pass it along. Map the generated text from the OpenAI module to the output field. If formatting options are available, choose a simple, readable structure such as plain text. Giving the output a clear label helps you identify it quickly during testing and in future runs. If you plan to chain this into a larger process later, keep the output clean and well-structured so it's easy to reuse. Finally, run the workflow. Trigger a run and watch as the OpenAI module processes your prompt and the output module presents the result. The first run may take a moment, especially if the model is generating longer text. Review the output carefully. If it's too brief, increase the max tokens. If it's unfocused, refine the prompt to be more specific. Rerun as needed until the result matches your intent. That's it, AI-generated output, end-to-end. You've just seen how to add the OpenAI module, craft a strong prompt, capture the result with an output module, and run the whole process for instant, repeatable results.